This is going to be our next project here pretty soon. This is a 1995 Dodge B3500 series van. As you can see, it's got a little bit of growth wrapped around it there. It's been parked here for a number of years. So we're going to clean out around it, clean inside it out. And we're going to jack her up. It's got some transmission issues going on it. The motor runs fantastic. Rides real good, real smooth. Transmission problem is it has no forward gears, so we're going to take this transmission out. We're going to get this rebuild kit. So if you guys want to follow me on this endeavor, please like and subscribe, hit that bell notification. You either can watch my success or my failure in this project here. So either way, we'll probably both have some enjoyment and a laugh and some fun. So have a great day.